Hi everyone, Dylan Allison here with Hoosier Riverwatch, and welcome to our series of training videos on water quality monitoring. Whether you're a current volunteer or a potential new volunteer, these videos will serve as a refresher or an introduction. Let's dive in.
Orthophosphate is a dissolved form of phosphorus readily available for plant uptake. It's a key indicator of the potential for algal blooms and eutrophication. While phosphorus is a natural element, excessive amounts can disrupt aquatic ecosystems. Runoff from agriculture, forestry, and urban areas, waste from livestock and waterfowl, stormwater runoff, construction sites, and wastewater treatment can release phosphorus into waterways. To measure orthophosphate using the Chemetrix phosphate test kit, first, triple rinse the sample cup and cap with water to be tested. Then fill to the 25 milliliter mark. Add 2 drops of activator solution, put the cap on, and mix well. Place the ampule in the cup and snap the tip. Invert the ampule 10 times to mix and wait 2 minutes for color development. Use the appropriate comparator to determine the orthophosphate level. The high range comparator measures from 1 to 10 parts per million. If your ampule looks less than 1, use the low range comparator, which measures from 0 to 1 part per million.